Good morning students. Today we are going to solve worksheet. The first problem is tick the numbers that are factors of the given numbers. Now the given number is 14. We are going to find the factors of 14 from the given numbers. We know that 1 is a factor for every number. So 1 is a factor of 14 also. 2 is also a factor of 14 because 2 divides 14 exactly. While dividing 14 by 2, we will get 7. So 7 is also a factor of 14. Let us divide 14 by 2. 7 into 2 is 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. So 2 divides 14 exactly. So 2 is a factor of 14. Next, the number is 5. So divide 14 by 5. 2 into 5 is 10. 14 minus 10 is 4. So in the remainder we have 4. 5 do not divide 14 exactly. So 5 is not a factor. 7 will divide 14 exactly. So 7 is also a factor. 14 is also a factor of 14. So 1, 2, 7 and 14 are factors of 14. Next, the number is 56. 0 is not a factor of 56. Next, we have 4. Let us divide 56 by 4. 1 4 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down the 6. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. So 56 is divided by 4 exactly. So 4 is a factor. In the quotient we are having 14. So 14 will be also a factor of 56. 0 will not be a factor because factor means when two numbers are multiplied, we have to get 56. 14 into 4, we will get 56. But when we multiply any number with 0, we won't get 56. 0 கூட எந்த நம்பரை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணாலும் நமக்கு 56 வராது. அதனால 0 வந்து ஃபேக்டர் கிடையாது. Next, divide 56 by 6. 9 6 are 54. 56 minus 54 is 2. We have remainder. So 6 do not divide 56 exactly. So 6 is not a factor. Let us consider 34. Divide 56 by 34. 134 is 34. Now subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. 22 is less than 34. So we cannot divide. So in the remainder we are having 22. So 34 is not a factor of 56. The factors of 56 are 4 and 14 only. The third question is Ruchi goes for yoga class every alternative day. She attends her first class on 2nd February. Write the dates on which she attends yoga class in the month of February. Ruchi attends the yoga class every alternative day. She attends the yoga class on the first day on 2nd February. We have to find on which days will she attend the yoga class on the month of February. It is nothing but multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 are 4, 6, 8. So it will be 4th of February next to 2. So we have to write 4th February, 6th February, 8th February, 10th February, 12th February, 14th, 16th, 18th, 20th, 22nd, 24th, 26th, 28th of February. It is nothing but multiples of 2. She will attend the yoga class on 4th, 6th, 8th, 10th, 12th, 14th, 16th, 18th, 20th, 22nd, 24th, 26th, 28th of February. Next, Tripti goes for dance class every second day and music class on every 5th day. She attends her first dance class on 2nd November and her first music class on 5th November. On which days in November will she attend both dance and music class? She attends dance class on 2nd November and music class on 5th November. We have to find when she will attend both music and dance class. It is nothing but we have to find the multiples of 2 and multiples of 5 and we have to find the common multiples. The common multiples will be the days when that she will attend both dance and music class. First write the multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 means days she will attend dance class. So we can write it as days she attends dance class. On November. First she attends on 2nd. She attends dance class for every second day. So it is nothing but multiples of 2. So write the numbers after 2. It is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. We can stop with 30 because in November we have only 30 days. So we can stop with 30. Next we have to write days she attends music class on November. She attends music class on every 5th day. So it is nothing but multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. We can stop here because November has only 30 days. Now find the common numbers. 10 is common here, 20 is common and 30 is common. So we have to find on which days in November will she attend both dance and music class. Both means we have to find the common multiples. Common multiples are 10, 20 and 30 here. So she will attend music and dance class on 10th, 20th and 30th of November. The fifth question is write the first 5 multiples of the given numbers. Write the common multiples in the intersection of the circles. The given numbers are 4 and 6. So write the first 5 multiples of 4 and write first 5 multiples of 6. First 5 multiples of 4 are 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20. Next, multiples of 6. 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30. Now, round the common multiples. Here 12 is common. 4 is not here, 8 is not here, 12 is here, 16 is not here and 20 is not here. So, in the place of intersection we have to write only 12 and write the remaining multiples of 4 in this circle. 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20, and in this circle the remaining multiples of 6. 6, 18, 24 and 30. We have written 12 in the intersection because 12 is common for both multiples of 4 and 6. Next, find all the factors of the given set of numbers. Also find their HCF. Now the numbers given are 6, 18 and 20. First let us find the factors of 6, 18 and 20. First we have to find factors of 6. 1 is a factor for every number, 2 is a factor of 6, 3 is also a factor of 6 and 6 is also a factor of 6. 1 into 6 is 6, 3 into 2 is 6. Only 4 are the factors of 6. Next, factors of 18. 1 is a factor for every number, 2 is a factor of 18. Next, 3 is a factor, 5 is a factor, 6 is a factor, 9 is a factor and 18 is a factor. 1 into 18 is 18, 9 into 2 is 18, 6 3s are 18. Next, factors of 20. 1 is a factor for every number. Next, 2 is a factor. Next, 4 is a factor, 5 is a factor, 10 is a factor and 20 is a factor. 1 into 20 is 20, 10 into 2 is 20, 5 4s are 20. Now we have to find HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Now we have written the factors and we have to find the common factor and we have to find the highest of that common factor. Here 2 is common. Next, 3 is not here, 6 is not here. So, the only common number is 2. 2 is the only common factor and 2 is the HCF of 6, 18 and 20. We cannot find any other common factor. So, 2 is the highest common factor of 6, 18 and 20. Thank you, students.